What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Boss Gevie is back. And for this vlog, my English challenge me together with two kids at the back. So let's go. Okay, dali. Come. We will speak only English while hitting the we harvest the cassava. Okay, cassava is balanghoy. Huh? So challenge dili
Challenge. Ani dede.
challenge
Accept.
challenge accepted ko no. Then in one I will count 1 to 5 ha. Then you speak only English ha while doing or while harvesting the cassava. This is a challenge.
No, I'm not gonna go.
This is a challenge. Okay, 1 to 5 ha. I'll count number 1 to 5. Then let's
1,
start.
2, 3, 4, 5. Muna.
I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. So guys, this is the cassava. Too small. Speak English.
Small. Very small. That's really small.
Where?
Speak English. Mommy, we have a challenge to speak English. Let's go back. March. 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 March.
Mom is calling. We'll transfer because mother is angry. Where?
Out. Be quiet.
Can you speak English, Mom? Because we're having a English challenge. Say good morning, mother.
Hi, good morning
Oh.
guys.
She also want to be a blogger.
Now I'm holding up.
Shout out, mother.
I do not know how to set up.
Speak English, ha? So this one.
I'll hold it.
No.
That's a very good big one.
Yeah.
That's a very good one. That's
Wow.
Bibi, nasak, bibi.
wait, see this. Where is?
Let's
Closer.
Speak English, Mom. Because we're doing
No.
English challenge vlog.
found it in the soil pa.
Okay, there's in the soil. Mommy said. Oh, big.
There's no more.
No more?
Yeah, there's no
Proceed to
more.
another one.
That's scary too.
Why you say no more?
No more na.
There's no more.
Ugh.
Careful because
It's so heavy.
Maybe that's the big one.
You just follow first the rope.
Whoa. It's gonna be the big one. I say big one. Big one.
Hold the camera nicely, Gian.
Whoa. Papayas, be careful. Oh.
Whoa.
Big.
That's really, really big.
This one.
This is now heavy.
Let me see.
How
Whoa.
many?
No, still small.
I'm already
Tired?
Yeah.
Why are you tired? Running.
Yeah, sabay ko.
Oh.
Me. Oh, there's putong. Putong yeah. There's hot. Can you get there? I'm always gonna bring that. Love na.
Man.
Oh man. A minute. Kamain na. Get there. I see it on. Now because I'm very hot. I need wind. Wind. Tabangin namin kayo. Why can't you help us? Take that.
Okay, this one.
Ouch. Why can't you help us?
Okay. This two. One.
How about this? Kimpi. Agad, kimpi. Agad.
That one.
Where? Where?
We stick that one.
Where? Get it out. Just wait. Just wait here.
Later?
Hi guys.
Okay.
Ako kuha it. I'm gonna grab this one. Oh, yeah. So heavy. You must be careful of the heavy one. Oh, there's a grab. Is it finished? Huh? Big very hot. I need fresh air.
Stay for a while because we only have this one until there. This one. Then
This will get heavy more.
we're finished now. Because that area
Ouch!
Daddy will do.
Ito na, ikaw na bagay. Ikaw na bagay na. Ibutan na sa mong ano.
What?
Father, can you put this?
Where? Oh, okay.
Kaya ko na, yeah, it's for dog, for Aiko.
Oh, there's one.
Sure.
So let's
I'll
inside
grab
the.
I'm
Find
gonna get it. Okay, here's the
it. Find it.
Find it.
Find
Wait.
it.
Wait.
Find the one.
Find the one. Ay!
That's bigger than this. Open the sock. Come on.
Sock?
Yeah,
Maybe
the
you
sock.
can find it yourself.
What do you call that?
You must grab it yourself, but I'm not gonna get it. It's very. You can't see it, bro. Can I get it? I'm gonna find it.
The other one inside.
It's just. It ain't down, so we can't grab it. You said it's more bigger, but it's not. You said it's bigger, but it's not. Yeah, you
So?
said it. Ouch!
Other one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa. Someone fell down. Wait, I'm gonna see it. I'm down.
Careful.
Careful.
Oh.
Careful. Get up in. Very heavy. You're finding it. Very. I think I don't like it. Let me try. Oh, I didn't see it. Yeah, you must grab it.
Excuse
Because
me.
you have the down.
This is a sonda. This is a bolo.
Yeah, you're grabbing the bully. You got the bully.
This is a kind of sharp metal. I don't think so. It's called bolo. Because maybe bolo is a Tagalog.
No, don't make this.
Then the English of this is a small piece of metal.
Metal?
This is metal, sharp metal. So excuse me.
No, you excuse me.
Ugh.
It's very big.
Oh no.
Oh man, you broke it again. You almost broke it. Yeah. Oh, the one is broken.
How will it be?
I'm gonna get this in myself. You can't grab it. Silly. Now you have to dig it. Someone fell down. And someone broke herself. No, there it is.
Oh,
It's a big one.
it's a big one.
Whoa. I think that's really giant.
Whoa.
That's bigger than the others. No, that's very fat.
This is the fruit of labor
Bar.
of daddy.
Daddy's. Oh.
Oh, this one.
Don't remember to
So
don't
this-
broke it again.
This is gonna be the last one.
Yeah. But there's still more there. And that. There.
No, daddy will finish that.
And that will be.
So maybe this is the second one.
Can I get the one? Tiny. Oh man, did you broke it again?
No. Just wait, just wait.
Oh, you broke it. You broke it.
Just wait.
Bro.
We will.
Uncle, you broke it.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Uncle, you broke it. How dare you? You broke it. So
Excuse me.
brother, Uncle, you're gonna. It's very long.
What?
You're gonna cook this because you have the idea to speak English. So your fault is to cook this
No. Mommy will cook this one.
again, and we're gonna be video.
Because I don't know. Because I don't know how to cook this.
But you must vlog mommy to contest. I'm gonna get this. Yeah. Remember? You're gonna vlog mommy, but mommy will speak English again.
You
I
think
get an unod.
someone slept here? Nothing.
The unod. What? Nothing.
Is there anyone
You
inside?
can dig it. Yes, there is, I think. Oh, I see one. There. But it's tiny. Very tiny.
Very small. Oh, no, no.
This one.
It's-
Oh, I got it. Her body.
It's medium size maybe.
No. It's so tiny. I thought this was the rod.
What you thought?
It looks like a mango. Oh, it looks like a mango.
No, that's inside. Inside there, this roots only. So
It looks like a mango. No, Papa.
why?
There's a hole. Remember,
No.
don't forget that one. Remember?
So that one, that many, because they're many.
That's a lot of.
Because
We're
I'm
not gonna
tired.
do it.
So father will
There.
finish that. And we'll go back there.
Oh, yeah.
So there's one left
Wait a minute.
in this area. So we will
There's not a mango.
finish this one.
Looks like a mango, I said. Oh,
Okay.
there's a flower pot. Flower.
I think this papaya will.
No, yeah.
This is a
I can't grab it.
what? Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Because I have something there. This papaya is. Hey, what do you call this banana? Yes, this is not a banana. This is a papaya. Then maybe it's a boy because
It's a boy.
oh,
Don't remember to crack
there's a
the
flower.
boy.
So I will
No,
cut this one.
don't get the boy.
Oh,
Crack it.
cut that one.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, this is a girl.
oh that one. That's a girl. If there's a fruit, that's a girl. But
This is her baby.
it's only a flower like that.
This is the flower.
If you see that kind of banana papaya with flower, that's a boy. That's a boy.
You silly boy. This is so heavy. I can't stand it anymore.
So hold the cam, hold the cam.
Okay.
This
I'm gonna hold the camera. Guys. It's so heavy. I just
Come.
can't do it. Hold the camera.
this is the last one, guys. This is the last one. Ugh.
What's the big one?
Only 3.
No, there's a one.
34.
There's a very big
Oh, it's 4,
one.
but maybe there's one there inside.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
You
5.
just broke it.
It's 5.
We'll find it.
It's 5. I think it's 5. Yeah.
Shoot.
But you're just so close to you, so you can't even see it.
So we will find this one if there's another one in the soil.
There is.
So we will dig.
I hope there is. There is.
Maybe nothing.
We'll see.
I just said there? There is.
Yeah.
I think this is
No,
This is a rock.
This one.
No.
Okay, this one.
It's
Go, come.
With it. You can't
It's a
grab
rock.
it because the rock.
This one. There's a rock.
You can't grab it. There's a rock. It'll be broken.
Oh.
Again.
You hear that?
I'm not gonna get
Because of the stone.
this
No.
stupid stone.
No, don't see that.
Because God made it for us.
Oh, there's
one. And you crack it. Right. Uncle crack it. No, where is it? I can't see it in the video.
Oh, small.
Where is it?
This one.
Very small.
The half of that is already.
We're finished.
Okay. Stop this one.
You're killing the boy. Okay.
So that's all. So
You grab this one.
bring this one. We'll see how. We will check our. We'll check this one. If how many? Okay.
You were finished, Mommy.
The half of the sack. Then that's inside. So,
Mommy, we're
is
finished.
the fruit of labor of daddy.
We're finished.
Fruit of labor. So that's all. Gian will grab. No, Gian, just wait. Just wait, ate. So what can you say about what we're doing? Nothing. Don't say. You can say thank you to the viewers.
No.
Why? Why you shy? Please tell some short message to the viewers. Say it. Thank you.
Subscribe and like, comment.
Oh, you stay. You stay. You stay. Yeah. Please subscribe, guys. Okay. Say. Please.
Subscribe. Like.
Face to the camera.
No.
Why you're shy? She's shy. That's my daughter. She's shy. That's my daughter. Gian! Gian! Come here, come here. So, can you tell us a short message to the viewers? Stand up. Stand up. Can you tell something? Please subscribe or anything else?
You subscribe and like and share. And don't forget
Host channel.
to Boss Videos channel.
Push Gevie's channel.
I'm finished.
No, we will say goodbye and thank you to the viewers.
Goodbye. Bye.
No.
Thank you.
Okay guys, thank you for watching to this
Ate, can you come
vlog, the
Ate, can
English
you come
challenge,
Get this?
speaking
Yeah, I
in
don't like
oh.
it. It's not
What we call this challenge? English speaking challenge.
English.
So that's all for this vlog.
You must watch Panda.
Panda. Say goodbye na. Say bye
Bye.
bye.
Goodbye. See
I hope you
the
enjoy.
next vlog.
Then see you to our next vlog.
Like